The fabrics that adorn our world, from a handkerchief to parachutes. Who's making them? The technology which creates such amazing textiles. Who's using them? A lump of fiber gets converted into the most fashionable garments. Who is spinning them? Ozone PB Spintex. Precision Unlimited. Here is the most modern spinning mill with in-house automatic ginning. Ozone PB Spintex is an ISO 9000 certified organization. We do not consider yarn as just a commodity. For us, it is an advanced technical product. Our highly customized and value-added products stand out in comparison with our contemporaries. India has always been the most crucial key in the textile value chain since the ancient times, and Gujarat, casting its golden spell, has taken leadership in the textile sector with the Make in India initiative. Ozone PB Spintex is located at Ahmedabad, also known as the Manchester of India. Because of its textile revolution, we are committed to take the Indian textile industry to new heights. Ozone PB Spintex has established the image of a reliable, sustainable and socially accountable business house which the industry can rely on. Ozone PB Spintex is the government-recognized star export house with certifications for Global Organic Textile Standard (GOTS) and Better Cotton Initiative (BCI). Our mission is to set up a fully integrated textile plant and consolidate our presence across the complete textile value chain, starting from farming to ginning to spinning and finally garmenting. Our focus is precisely on the demand for value-added products. It is the landmark of our supreme quality that our products are free from any harmful substances. We make sure that our products are suitable for children as well as everybody else. At our spinning facility in Ahmedabad, we have established a fully automated ginning setup, processing the finest raw materials. Our highly competent and experienced workforce produces the best quality output with the help of the best technology and equipment. Our research and development department is ever active to define new avenues in textile technology, starting from blow room lines with foreign fiber spectators and TC 5x3 range of Truchler cards to yarn cleaners from Bleufey and German-make AC-X5 model yarn windlers from Sklaphorst. We have RSB D45 auto leveler draw frames and E80 Swiss-make combers from Rayter, 51M speed frames from Zinsa and ring frames from KTTM. We are using the world's best technology with the best engineering talent, and that is the secret behind our state-of-the-art quality and straight from the heart service. Not only the production, our in-house stringent quality control mechanism scrutinizes each and every step of the process, right from raw material to final product, with our online and offline testing. The wide range of our product portfolio consists of slub yarns, compact yarns, elite twist yarns, compact slub, semi-combed and TFO yarns for knitting and weaving applications. We also produce soft wound packages on dye tubes, ready for dyeing. And we are expanding. We are in process to double our capacity and output. Our goals are backed by our terrific workforce, always following the highest values of ethics and integrity. We consistently motivate, inspire, and encourage our human resource, and that is reflected in our product's quality. We are born, grown, and evolved within the textile environment.